We're going to use Airtable Automations to automatically add a set of tasks to each new project you create. So when you create this new project, it's automatically going to add a set of several tasks that you probably need to do each time you start a new project. Before you set up this automation, you need to make sure you have two tables in your base. In this one I have projects and tasks. You need to have a checkbox field in your project table. I labeled mine add tasks. And then you need to have a view in your projects filtered to where add tasks is checked. This is what's going to allow us to start the automation. To create the automation, we need to open the Automations panel, click New Automation. We're going to choose a trigger of when record enters view. We're going to choose the projects table, and then we're going to choose the new view you created that was filtered with the checkbox. Then run your test and click Done. Next, we want to add each action. In this one, we're going to choose Create Record, and we're going to choose the Tasks table. This is where you're going to add each field that you want completed for every task. So in this one, we're going to choose our name, going to choose the project, the client, this is actually a formula field that's pulling in from the relation field. And then we want to choose the status. Now you want to complete each task. The name is going to be the name of your task. You want to run your test. And then from here, you're going to create as many tasks as you need for each project. I've created 3 task records here. Now we need to rename our automation and turn it on. Now we're going to add a new project. Now we're going to click Add Tasks and see that it's going to automatically add our set of tasks in the tasks table. This is really useful for creating checklists for any sort of project, and it can be done with Airtable Automations.